I mean, yesterday I did all the filming from this. Okay, so that's the gimbal cover that I've removed, and I put it on there. And then it has this, but it doesn't have a screen, so you have to use the phone for that, which is fine. So this is Mini 3 Pro. So most of the things I try to get by Amazon because they give you interest free.
Yeah.
And you can pay over some time. So you link that over there. Then you take out the little joysticks. You know, unlike your children, I've never ever played a computer game in my life. So for me, doing this is quite difficult. But at your age, I used to fly, or your age even, I used to fly a kite. So you know that kinesthetic sense is there.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is there. Then I switch, first of all, the remote control you switch on. And it's in Cine mode. Cine mode means it's slow. So I'll fly it a little bit here. But again, this one is flying because it's getting some satellites. Okay, so I'll switch this on as well. That sound comes when it's live. And here I'll switch on the DJI. DJI is a company, the most famous amateur company. So that's the screen. And it's trying to look for satellites. Switching field, it hasn't connected, whatever, let's see. Somehow, yeah, it's filmed yesterday, it's there. So there's no sound recording in this drone or any drone. So what I do is have another phone and just record audio.
Okay.
And then when the drone is kind of this height, I go. And then on the editing, do you all edit?
Yeah.
Okay, so when you edit, you just move it so that the claps match. And roughly, it's not precise because you're not talking to the drone with your lip movement. It's so far away, hardly matters. It's taking time. So this and this weren't connecting because I haven't switched this on.
Okay.
There's so much to go through. So it's got a SIM card in here where it records everything.
Okay.
If you don't have the SIM, it has I think 32 gig. But I took a 128 gig and put it in. And I delete every time. I don't store over there. The computer is a better place.
Yeah.
So I press go fly. So it's switched. So now it will record into the SIM card, not on internal memory. So there we are. See, it's saying there's a lot of obstacles. All the red showing that obstacle there, obstacle behind. I'll start record. So it's now recording. With my other phone, so while that is recording, I'll put this on record as well. We'll do something like all recording. So this is recording and that is recording. So now I'll make it go up a little bit. Please make it that sound because there's too much obstacles. Okay, so now if I was actually recording for any particular reason, I would go. So that those 3 clicks have gone there. I'll do it again. Watch here.
Yeah.
But so the video is taken at this second, and then you marry the two.
Okay.
So this goes up, down, left turn, right turn, forward, backward, left yaw, right yaw means going sideways like a helicopter. And if you occasionally should press the home button, and you can see it's barely got any satellite. That red means it's purely flying by remote control.
Okay.
It is taking no geo connection. So if you press that one with the finger, the one, actually press land. Switch off here, switch off there.
Wow. Very nice.
ठीक है ना? So इसमें यही है कि phone लगाना पड़ता है. I need to get the app. But